Guys, the question is, how many triangles do you see? So this question here is kind of tricky. It's saying 12, 5, 6 or 7. So what you gotta do is look at the bigger triangle, all this all the way. So let's draw it like this, and that, and finally that's for the big triangle. So that is 1, and it's divided by that line there. So this makes the small triangle and the big one. These are 2. Then we are going to add the smaller one. Okay, let's draw the smaller one again, which is small triangle, and it's divided by that line to make 2 triangles. 1, and then the second one is that. So we have 2. Let's add the bigger one. Okay, the whole thing. So we're going to divide it again by 2 to make 2 more triangles. So when you get them, you have 2, 2, and 2. That's what you're going to get. We can enforce by force, you should take this. We don't demand it, all we need is peace. Voices of heroes.